Shot go through chest. Ruthless teeth figures on my choose. Yes, a little change we spend and a bullet you want your crew catch.
More in my style as time goes on, you know?
Okay.
More in my one style, you know? Yeah.
President dead, money instead. Chain and ring them. I'm on a leg.
Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boss, Nando in our building. And as you see in our thumbnail and as you see in our title, we're here to react to Alkaline's brand new single called My Choice. And after releasing one song for the year since January, and we're in like 5 months for the year now, Alkaline dropped his second single for the year. And you know, yesterday there was some controversy in the media where he puts out an interview. Well, not him, but BET puts out an interview with him, and it caused a whole lot of commotion in the media. People were running with it. People were speculating a lot of stuff, stating that Alkaline, Alkaline stated that, you know, even him doing a somebody style. Well, that wasn't what I interpret. But other than that, we're here to react to the music that he just put out, this new single called My Choice. And, you know, it's produced by The Genius alongside Artabam. You know, that's Alkaline's record team, or I would say Alkaline production team also, which is Artabam. So let's just jump right into the reaction and analyze some of the lyrics that has been stated in this song, because, you know, it's long awaiting and anticipating. A lot of people are anticipating what Alkaline is coming with next, because, you know, Alkaline is one of that person where people always anticipate him, because he's that type of person who has that impact in the media and in the dancehall space, where people always wonder what he has up his sleeve. So this song is called My Choice, and you know, our Vibes and Insight, and I'm going to react to it and analyze some of the lyrics that is been placed in this song that Alkaline is saying. And by my I would say, by my knowledge, it would seems like this song is more so a money song, and he's, you know, flaunting. So let's just jump right into the reaction, people.
President dead, money instead. Chain and ring them. I'm on a leg. You know me.
So he jumps into the intro and stated that president's dead. Chain and ring them. Chain and ring. Arm and a leg. So I let me have to listen to this song more to understand that concept there at the first part in the intro where he stated chain and ring them, arm and a leg. But if you guys know what he's talking about, let me know in the comment section. He's saying that the president's dead, which I know the president is the dead face, you know, dead face for money. So, you know, say a bank note in my pre, you know, the greens are, I would say, the blue note, the blue face, which is the US $100 bill. So he's preying the money, the millions, the billions, and he's stating that the president's dead. Chain and ring, which is the shabarang style, where fingers full up a chain, fingers full up a ring, and neck full up a chain. So, you know, it's the flaunt, it's the lifestyle he's portraying in this song.
Ready now. The bread like a woman got to me the most. The chunk of food is a full meal course. Billionaire status in a fire with the clothes.
So Alkaline is stating that the bread, the money, bro, he's using so much literature device in this song and figure of speech, where he's stating that the bread that what matter to me the most, which is the money. And he's saying that big chunk of food, that a full meal course, billionaire status, you know, they're too far, they're close. Bro, this man is spitting lyrics, he's spitting metaphors, he's using figure of speech in this song, people. You really have to have that knowledge there to understand, say, yo, the youth literature device in his songs are so potent on a different level. He doesn't sing the average lyrics, and that is what I respect this man for. He doesn't say the average lyrics in a song. He gives you a style where you would have to dissect it and understand and put two and two together. And if you don't quick and the knowledge, or if you're not intellectual and on a certain level, or your IQ not up on a certain level, you wouldn't understand the lyrics or the figure of speech and the metaphors that he uses in songs. And he stated again, as me say, the bread that our matter to me the most. big chunk of food, it's a full meal course. So, you know, food, but also the money, food, money. So, it's crazy. Pull up that song of that. Yo, Alkaline, go on again, you.
President dead, money instead. Chain and ring them. I'm a leg.
Yeah.
You know me.
You know me head.
What
What
a mess.
a mess.
Ready now.
Ready. The bread that I want to do me the most bad.
The bread that I want to me the most. The chunk of food is a full meal course.
I like the flow of the song. The way him jump on the beat. Not just the intro, but the way he spits the lyrics on the first verse, where he stated that the bread that I want to me the most, and the way he flows, it shows you that he didn't let the rhythm control him. He dominates the rhythm, not the rhythm dominating him, and I respect that, and I love that how him jump on the beat a while ago. And he stated, billionaire status in a far, it the close. I'm money and my child. And you know, Alkaline always stated in many of his songs that give me the money, not the fortune. He doesn't want the fortune. He doesn't want the fame. Give me the fortune. So he's stating in many songs that give me the fortune, me no want the fame. So, you know, people are out here stating that Alkaline needs to do interviews, he needs to interact, he needs to do all sorts of things that other artists usually do, but he's being a reserved type of person where he gives you the music, he does his shows and so forth, but certain things he limits himself from doing because he's a different breed of artist. And, you know, he's stating currently in his songs that give me the money, me no want the fortune, and that's what he's stating. The bread, that I want to me the most. And bro, Alkaline is different when he sings some songs and say some things. It's like point blank, he's stating what he's stating, and people still can't fathom why he doesn't do certain things that they want to do. But he's currently still singing what he's singing, and if you don't understand what he means, I don't know what you're going to understand, but he's stating what he's stating.
One dash of cash everywhere, no job. Like 17, somebody they want smoke. Off the station, come out there, control. I'm on the my child.
So he's saying that Glock 40, him have a Glock 40 ping, you know the badness of it always. Once you travel with a lot of money, once you're a person with a high status, you know you have to travel with a piece, with a license or unlicensed. So he's stating that the Glock 40, him travel with it because anybody out there want smoke, try run up. So he's stating that him always chop. So for anybody out there want smoke, run up, because out there a cutthroat. So he's stating that out the road a cutthroat, so you have to always stay strapped, always pan guard, always have an eye out there for any local folly, any local loose movement. So that's what he's stating, people.
Then you more than anything, the banking overflow at on a car roll it for Franklin. Remember when every silver that used to drop in at the tin, I know this that's the my turn for rich talent not building. Keep.
So he's stating, he's reflecting back the times when money used to hard forget. And you know, money used to hard forget in a sense where you can't even throw no money in your saving pants. More time, I look at shillings you have to throw in your saving pan. And now he's at a point in his life where the money has stacked up taller than a building. That is crazy, people. Pull up that.
Remember when every silver that used to drop in at the tin, I know this that's the my turn for rich talent not building. Keep on, blow up with the script, me don't know when I start get confirmed to make a judge like grandpa.
So he's stating again, he does his own stunt, his own style. As he stated in his interview previously, you know, he's stating that me more in a my style, in a my own style. So he's stating that he creates his own stunt, he creates his own style, he creates his own impact. And that is what gets the people mad. And he's declaring that in this song. Pull up that area again.
Keep on, blow up with the script, me don't know when I start get confirmed to make a judge like grandpa. So the man catch up on everything have a price on this.
Whoa. The man has spit so fast, me can't even comprehend. And that is what Alkaline is known for now. He's known for spitting fast lyrics, or he's known for making the lyrics fly over your head. So you have to go back, go listen it, go back, go meds where I say Jaja. Pull up at the part there again, people.
Overflow at on a car roll it for Franklin. Remember when every silver that used to drop in at the tin, I know this that's the my turn for rich talent not building. Keep on, blow up with the script, me don't know when I stop.
So he's stating kill punk. Bro, he might talk the badness. Him say him kill punk. kill punk, I do my own stunt. I make energy drain, bro. Pull up back that. The man say make energy drain in us. Shit. He's stating again, do or die. Do or die, the money still have to come in. Do or die, the money still have to come in no matter what. Always on the run, always on the go, people. Yeah. I'm money on my choice. Again, he's stating Glock 17 if somebody don't want to smoke. And the patois him using in his song, you can tell him has some old, he has some whole lingo patois in this song. It's not the modern day patois lyrics he uses in most of his songs of recently that I noticed. It's like whenever he's singing certain songs, you can hear the whole patois lingo, the whole real raw patois country like Miss Lou type of patois. And when he must sing it, yeah, when you must sing it, if you're a modern day folks or a modern day person, you wouldn't understand some of the patois lyrics them. And trust me, people, that man is known. He's known to think outside of the box to come with something to grab his fans' attention or grab people's attention. So I can say this song is a start for the Genius production, because as the Genius was stated in his interview, he stated that he has many more songs with him and Alkaline, but he's gonna drop his first project. So this is Alkaline's first project with the Genius, and he has more. And this is a start, and I look at nothing too extra, nothing too big and hype, but me I feel the vibes of that song. And that song can go and rotate. Me I go give me ratio of how me judge the song or when me think the song would do or where to go on with. But at the end of the review, I would state that. But let's just jump right back into the reaction. Oh my God, man go say shot the true chest, rootless, a teeth figures me go use, yes. And you know what he's talking about? Teeth figures. The bullet them were painted. Teeth burn you through your skin, fly through your skin. Another rounded 9-ball. And they painted AK shot them. The man talk about some trip. So bro, people, let's see what the man say. Pull up that part there again. Shot go true chest. My rootless. Shot go true chest. My rootless. Teeth figure when me choose, yes. The teeth figures, as I would say again, the teeth figures, the painted tip, not the 9-ball tip. Oh my God, so that sounds like he's taking shots somewhere, because he's stating that shot got true chest, and he's saying that gunshot for your crew, yes. He's saying that, let me put up that part back again. The man said bullet you and your crew get. Me don't know who are gonna pick up that who him through a car and him no car no fall, but I don't know who's gonna pick up that part, but I look at change with spin. I look at change with spin. A bullet you and your crew get. Pioneer. He's saying that he's a pioneer in this thing. Who said they were a pioneer at one point? An artist said them a pioneer now. Who said them a pioneer? So Alkaline is saying I'm a pioneer. And as I stated again, the man always use some lingo, some old time lingo, like the patois, because the man say, what the man say a while ago, people? Tell me what the man say in the comment section. No hanky panky, the man say. The man use the word hanky panky in his song to show you say he's old school. He's not the young type of artist where use the average lyrics. He's old school with it. Man say currency make some dudes vex. Who want pick that up, because in one thing with Alkaline, he knows how to poke the bear, he knows how to draw out anybody because some things he's saying in this song clearly showing that, you know, he might flaunt and at the same time he might make whosoever out there know. He might make some artists know, he make some people know overall and know say, yo, our thing and no dibby thing, you know, normal. The man I tell us say he's a pioneer. The man I tell us say he's getting the money. The man I tell us say him vile, him vicious, him ruthless. That is what Alkaline is saying in this song, people. And it's clearly sending some shots and it's clearly calling out anybody who want to run up. Because as he said, you know, he's a pioneer, you know, and the money where he might get make some dudes vex, you know, so how we might call out. Alright, man, stated again, down to the pastor, get him funds, all the reverend. So what is it to him? The pastor go feed bread to, you know, the pastor get the money, the reverend I get the money. So what is it for him not to get his money? So he's definitely declaring that a money are the chaser. Money are the chaser, the paper are the chaser, the bread, the food, big chunk of change, that are big food.
See how no preference from a red cent fast forward. I make them miss amount of money, man. I make them still cheap for me ends. Rich in a real life, but you know, I no pretense. I ain't no need no lens. This is the bread that I want to me.
I'm like how that part of rolling. The man say, Fissy say, the bread that I want to me the most. That part the bad. Pull up.
And I make them still cheap for me ends. Rich in a real life, but you know, I no pretense. I ain't no need no lens. This is
the bread that I want to me the most. The man say him rotten rich people. The man say him rotten rich and him say again, remember him saying I song and say billionaire status sitting on there too far. It the right round the corner. It's just a high shot and the billionaire status there. So he's declaring that he used to have shillings, he used to have the red cent and now the man I make M's. I come from red cent days to the M's. People, you know what red cent? The man I talk about cent, you know, 1 cent, you know, the Jamaican cent, them, you know, where probably you won't even see a red cent anymore because, you know, the currency of Jamaica gone so sky high, not even a dollar really have no rate right now in Jamaica. So, to see a red cent, you would never see one. You'd have to go way back in time to see a red cent. So, Alkaline is stating that the red cent days he might come from and know him reach at the M's, the big M's, and he's on his way to the bills, the billions. People, Alkaline a chat.
The station count their control. I'm on the franchise. Bring the time that to me the most. Chunk of food is a full meal course. I'm used to pushing for the doors. I'm on the franchise. The short cash up we another job. Like 17 if somebody that wants more.
And all I would say is it's a decent song, a song we can vibe to. You know, people are going to run with it and say Alkaline this, Alkaline that. But you know, you can't kill what people say. But it's a start for Alkaline. What's the same dep on a look a wave right now. You know, for his music is a wavy type of music. You have to really connect it in a certain level or a certain way for grasp his music because them man sing song futuristic and if you're not grab it now, you're not going to get for grab it until later when it passes, you forward back and I say, Jano, the song I did tough because we see countless of time over the years, him have songs where grab the people them last minute. Theme song grows long, it takes a while for grow and then when it do grow, it just takes off. And this song, my choice, I can jam to it and I can vibe to it. But so far, as I said, that song, it a go on, it have a vibe. And I give the song, I not tell you when I give the song. Only tell me when to give the song in a comment section. Let me know what you think. And remember, you know, for like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the song. Alkaline, my choice, produced by the genius alongside Artaban people. You know what go already, man. I'm a thing, a vibes and insight when I do. I'm out. Peace.